Just close your eyes. Think about it.
Drink from the cup in your hand, lay back against you and breathe.
What's been going crazy?
Feel your heart beat.
What do you feel like you've been pulled 100,000 different directions? Now's your moment.
It's more than I can stand.
Now's your time.
I'm lost in your peace. It's overwhelming, God. I want to see
Come on.
your feet. Drink from the cup.
Here it comes.
In your hands, lay back against.
Come on, here it comes.
Just feel your heart beat, God. This love is so deep. It's more than I can stand.
Have you got your mind on it? Take it another step further. Just throw your hands in the air. Come on. Yes, Lord. Come on, just get ready to win this morning. This is where you come to Him today. Get off your feet. Come on, God, give it everything you got. Come on. Oh, we worship you. Oh, we worship You know, there was a guy in the Bible. You know, Jesus healed many people through his ministry. Jesus healed many people through his ministry. Okay. But there's one that really stuck to me, and I don't know why it stuck to me, but it was one of the guys that he healed with the mud into his eyes. The guy's never seen before in his life.
Wow.
Okay. If you've never seen in 30, 35 years, you ain't never seen the color red, blue, it don't matter. Okay? It don't matter who you are. But if a man come to me and said, hey, you want to be made whole?
Come on.
And I say, yeah, I'll do what you do, man. I can't see. Okay? It didn't matter. Jesus took the mud, put it on his eyes. And the dude could see. Now here's the thing. When the religious people came and asked him, do you believe in this guy?
Come on.
He said, I was telling Billy this the other day. He said, you know what, man, I don't know about God, I don't know about anything, but I know what I can see.
Come on. Amen. Come on.
Woo! So I guess I'm gonna follow this guy because he's put mud on my eyes. Woo! So I can see. And it ain't no religious part about it. It ain't even about Jesus. It's like I can see.
Amen.
You see what I'm saying? Like, so it don't matter. That's the God that we serve.
That's right. Amen.
It don't matter. We can see.
Amen.
You see what I'm saying? Woo! It's overwhelming. It's overwhelming. I know I slowed it down, but I think I needed to share that right now.
That's right.
He said, I don't care. You come with whatever question you want, but I'm going to follow that guy because I can see, I ain't seen him all my life.
Woo!
So, I mean, you come in with your religious stuff, your junk, your whatever.
That's real.
But I can see.
Amen.
And I mean, I keep saying that, but I can see now because it don't matter.
Come on.
Break the religious junk off of you. Break the religious crap off of you.
Come on.
It don't matter. Because I can see.
Woo!
Lord, you're worthy today. You're worthy today in my life. God, thank you today. It's awesome. Jesus is awesome. You know, and I said on the video, he didn't come to say, look, here's who I am. This is what I believe in my heart. This is who I am. He said, I'm Jesus. This is who I am. He didn't come to say, he come and said, he walked it out. He walked it out. And you know what? People all of a sudden started saying, I know that guy. I see everything he's doing. So I'm going to walk beside him. He didn't say, this is who I am. This is who I am, Jesus. He didn't say that. Right? God, he's awesome. And when we grasp that, it's simple. It don't have to be something that's complex. Jesus is simple. He never going to be complex. We put that junk on him.
That's right. Amen.
You got to have denomination. You got to have this. You got to have that. It ain't really. It's just about him.
That's right.
It's really simple.
Amen. Woo!
I just had to say